Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Mo Tech Tips here. If you ever want to learn how to code, online tasks, build apps, or you dive into data science or AI, you're in the right place. In this course, we're going to learn Python, one of the most popular and beginner-friendly programming languages in the world. No required coding experience needed. If you can use a computer, you can learn Python. So, what exactly is Python? Python is a programming language that focuses on simplicity and readability. It's used by beginners and professionals at companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA. People use Python for a wide variety of reasons, but it's often used for web development, data analysis, automation scripting, game development, and artificial intelligence and machine learning. In fact, Python is one of the most powerful languages to use for machine learning. In this course, we'll start from the absolute basics. You'll learn what programming is, how to write your first Python program, variables, data types, and logic, and gradually work towards building real, useful projects. Each lesson is designed to be clear, practical, and beginner-friendly. So, whether you're a student, a professional looking to upskill, or just curious about coding, this course is built for you. So, if you're ready to start your Python journey, make sure to subscribe and let's jump into the first lesson. I'll see you in the next video.